Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we got a very interesting article. We got a very interesting article, and it is some negative press for Uber Eats. Not a good time when Doordash is making all this positive press from Tony Xu basically making every single employee do Doordash, and I think that's probably like one of the biggest power moves, but I'm making a video on that today. An Uber Eats driver dumped a woman's order in a bush after she requested the driver to change the delivery location, which is 1 minute's drive away. That is, this is between this driver and then the DoorDasher who sent me their personal cheat codes I read the video a couple days ago, basically telling you to like go to greasy food places because you can open their food bags easier. I don't know if he was joking or what, but anyways, this is why I like, as someone who reports on DoorDash and delivery and stuff for essentially a living on YouTube, there's never, like a couple weeks ago we had the DoorDasher shit on like someone's trash can in the apartment complex. Like we had a gangster freaking jizz in a policeman's Chipotle order. Now we got Uber Eats driver just dumping someone's food, and they took a photo of it. There's even a photo of this, you know, it's someone's looks like McDonald's order sitting in a freaking bush. Like it's just never ending stuff, like, you know, like it's just constant content, you know. It makes it really easy for me because the ridiculous kinds of things that Uber Eats drivers and DoorDashers do, like there's no qualifications for this job. I've said that so many times. It's just like anyone can do it, and there's not like I said, there's no qualifications for this job. So you get a whole bunch of random people doing a whole bunch of random stuff. Anyways, her name was Jeanette. She is the customer. Jeanette contacted Uber Eats to change the delivery location, which is a minute's drive away. However, the driver told her he didn't get paid to do that. The driver sent her a picture of her order dumped in a bush. Okay, come on. Why would you... The thing is, when you do something like that, you have to know this is going to be your last delivery. Why would you do that? Unless that bush happened to be the delivery location and they put the address of a bush. I mean, that's possible. Not really. Like, I don't know. Bushes don't have addresses. I'm just messing with you guys. Maybe some bushes do have addresses, you know, like maybe a tree has a really famous tree. Okay, anyways, we're getting off topic. A woman left fuming after an Uber Eats driver refused to deliver her meal and then sent her a photo of the food dumped in a bush. Jeanette claims she was forced to forage in the rain for her order after her delivery driver dumped her food. She was left empty-handed because she could not find it. The fact that she actually went and tried to find her food in a bush in the rain, like she still went and tried to find it, that's kind of crazy, you know. Like in that case, why did you, if you were actually willing to go and get the food from a bush, why would you change the address? Why don't you just go meet the driver? But this story is crazy. Like the fact that you would go and get it. The 39-year-old had ordered Happy Meals from McDonald's for her 7-year-old daughter and her friend. Anytime we get into like the details of like, oh, she was just ordering Happy Meal for her McDonald's or for her 7-year-old, I start to feel bad, you know. She just wanted food for her daughter, and then this freaking Uber Eats driver dumped it in a bush. The Uber Eats driver should have known, hey, I got all this leverage. I can just contact Uber Eats and let them know, hey, I want a couple extra bucks for doing this order. I've done that before. I have literally negotiated with the customer service and I said, hey, this person wants me to deliver over here. I'm not getting paid to do that, but if you guys add on a couple extra dollars, I'm willing to do it. And every single time that I've said that, they've done it, because it makes perfect sense, you know? Happy driver, happy customer, everyone's happy, they lose a few dollars, it doesn't really matter. This Uber Eats driver was not that smart, though. Unfortunately, I am smarter than this Uber Eats. I'm just kidding, guys. She contacted the driver to change the delivery location, which blah, 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 blah. He didn't get paid to do that. Jeanette even drew a diagram to give directions to the driver, but he sent her a picture of her food dumped in some bushes. The mom was forced to... This must be an English order, because who says mum? Only like European people do, I believe. Anyways, the mom was forced to take her 2 children out into the rain. She took her children. Guys, we're going on a scavenger hunt for our McDonald's order. Let's go check in these bushes over here. That's how you get, like... I'm surprised this didn't end with, like, them getting sprayed by a skunk or something, you know? That's the only icing on the cake that could have made this article any better, was the customer got sprayed by a skunk or something. I can't believe she took her... I did message the driver twice to say that was the wrong address even before he picked up the food, but I didn't get a reply. Jeanette, it seems like this driver's just kind of a shitty person, I gotta be honest, but if it's just a minute's drive away, I would do it. I would just do it, you know? But some drivers are just not happy people, you know? I've done orders that are like, you know, it's just like a minute's drive away or something, you know? If it's like a minute's drive and it's actually to like a hospital or like a casino or something like that, it's a whole different story. I'm not doing that. But in this case, who knows, you know? She said, I messaged them straight away. As soon as I paid with the right address, the driver called and said he hadn't contacted them. I would just offer them, you know, like if I screwed up and it's that customer's case, you know, you screwed up, you should own it and say, hey, I'll give you an extra few dollars to deliver over here. The driver is almost always going to say that, especially on Uber Eats, where you can pull the tip, you know? Like, if they decide not to, you can pull the tip, you know? That's the shitty thing about Uber Eats, is you can pull tips back, you know? Jeanette had to cook for the children, who were disappointed. Well, I gotta be honest with you, when I say that, I'm like, you know what? Maybe that was fate saying you probably shouldn't be feeding your 7-year-old kids McDonald's, because McDonald's is essentially poison. And as someone who is a personal trainer and pro athlete, I gotta side with the cooking in the kitchen, you know? You shouldn't be ordering McDonald's. And when I have kids, I gotta say, I don't think they're gonna be eating McDonald's. Especially as growing children, you should not be eating. Now, I'm not the one to tell you how to parent your kid, though, you know? I'm just saying, like, I'm not gonna be having my kids eating McDonald's, and I wish I didn't grow up eating McDonald's. McDonald's is straight up poison. I've seen so many things on them recently, like it's literally poison. It causes cancer. There's so many reasons why you shouldn't be eating McDonald's. So in all fairness, not in all fairness, but you probably shouldn't be ordering McDonald's in the first place. Anyways, hopefully she cooked them something nutritious, like maybe broccoli and some chicken and some rice or something, instead of the McDonald's. But anyways, she said that when she contacted the delivery app, she was denied a refund, and it was not her fault, as it was not her fault. She was denied a refund as it was not her fault. That's a strange way to word that. She went on to complain about the incident and was eventually refunded the money she paid for her food. Well, you know, if you did put in the wrong delivery address, it does ask you at the end, is this correct information, you know? It's kind of your fault, you know, if you deliver it to the wrong place. I gotta be honest, this is just fate saying you probably should have cooked rice, chicken, and broccoli in the first place for your kids. They're gonna thank you later when they grow up healthier. We are sorry for the customer service was not up to our usual high standards. We have refunded Jeanette in a full. The only reason Uber Eats refunded Jeanette was because of this bad press that they're probably getting from this article. Doordash getting good press this week. Uber Eats is not getting good press this week. And that's where the article ends. I gotta be honest, I'm not surprised with anything. Like, if an article comes up and says Ubereats driver delivers bag of shit to customer tomorrow, I won't even be surprised. I won't even bat an eye on it. I'll just make a video on it, you know? Like, nothing surprises me nowadays, I gotta be honest. But anyways, if you guys enjoy these videos at all, if you're an Ubereats driver, smash that thumbs up button for me. Anyways, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. We got more videos like this coming in the future. If you're a delivery driver and you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments down below. And what do you guys think of this whole situation? Anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't deliver a bag of shit so you make this article. I cursed it. Someone's gonna do it though. Anyways, we'll see you guys next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.